Since many of you couldn't get enough of our previous guide on how to make an ebook, in this video I'm going to show you the exact same steps we used before, but this time we're taking it to the next level. If you're watching this and you still don't sell digital products online, you're honestly missing out on a huge opportunity, because in today's modern era, selling digital products can be far more profitable and accessible than investing in stocks or even cryptocurrency. If you have no idea where to start, don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly how to create one yourself. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, you need to conceptualize the ebook you want to sell and make sure there is demand for it. Since mental health has become a big topic these days, let's create a short 20-page self-help ebook. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate the entire 20-page book, including the title and the content. Once the content is ready, go to your Canva account, click Create on the left panel, and type ebook in the search bar. Select the first result to open a blank ebook canvas, design your front cover, and then paste the content generated earlier into the pages. After finishing your design, click Share, then Download, and export the file as a PDF standard. Now we're done with how to make an ebook, but the question is, how do you actually sell it? You're lucky, because I made an entire playlist that walks you step by step from understanding what ebooks are to creating your 100% free shop on Amazon and jumping straight into selling. Just click the pinned comment down below to view the playlist. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to create your own ebook using ChatGPT and Canva and turn it into a digital product that you can sell online. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.